Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some skincare and I'm using the Palmer Skin Success with Vitamin E line. These are all the things that I will be using. So we have the complexion bar, the deep cleansing astringent, and the fade cream. I'm also using some other little tools and products to complete my skincare. So to begin with, I'm starting off with the anti-dark spot, which was £2.49 from Paks Cosmetics. It's a complexion bar for all skin types. It brightens your complexion, it evens your skin tone. It's got vitamin C, soy and licorice, and the ounce of the soap is 3.5 ounces. So it says that it's free from sulfates, parabens, phthalates and dyes. It's perfect for dull complexion and uneven skin tone, and the key ingredients is what I've just listed. It's got vitamin C and vitamin E, and it just says to use some warm water to create a rich lather and massage into the skin. Rinse completely, and for optimal use, use with the full line of Palmer Skin Success to get the optimal use and benefits. I'm using this facial tool, which is supposed to help exfoliate the skin, because I'm not using any exfoliators today. So it helps to just remove dead marks, and I find that my nose area is really smooth after using this little face brush that I got from Primark for £1. It really gets rid of the bumps on the nose area. Next, I go in and pat my face dry with some clean tissue, and then I'm going in with the anti-acne deep cleansing astringent. Removes dirt, excess oil and impurities. It tightens and unclogs pores, and it's made with eucalyptus, vitamin E and menthol, and it's 8.5 fluid ounces. Now I really like this Estrogen. It does kind of, if you've got sensitive skin, it will kind of sting a bit, but I like that feeling. Some people might not like that. This bottle was £5.99 from Paks Cosmetics. And now I'm going in with the anti-dark spot fade cream for all skin types. It corrects even spots, even skin tone, gives you an even skin tone, and it has made with songai mushroom and retinol, and it's 2.7 ounces, and this was £6.49 from Paks. So that's almost my completed skincare to kickstart the new year. I am going in with my rose facial oil, and I'll leave a link for that in the video description box or up above. And there's so many benefits to a rose facial oil, so you can check that out in my other video that I previously made. And just to say something about the Palmer Skin Success, I do like this line. I've used it in the past, especially when I was a teenager and I had a lot of acne, and it did help me in the past. But I feel like the fade cream has changed, and the astringent, they've changed some type of ingredients inside, because it doesn't feel or smell the same, or my skin is not reacting to it the same. So I don't quite like it as much as I did back in the past, but these were nice products for me to use back in the past, and it did help with my acne. Now I'm going in with some Carmex for my lips. I love Carmex. I love anything that gives me a nice tingly feeling, and Carmex does that for my lips. And this is the end results. Let me know what you think down below, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.